Hi Libra and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of February 2021 is going to be for you. Month of February 2021 is a month where new beginnings or new directions are coming into your life. It's a month where there is happy home. It's a month of communications. It's a month of receiving and giving communications. It's a month where the life is going to go towards something much smoother and much better. It's a month where there is some juggling, but you'll have a chance to kind of rewrite your fate. But the only thing is, this month you will have to ensure that you don't feel stuck within yourself, you don't focus on negativities, and you don't trust any gossip, or you don't trust any people saying the negative things to you. And you do not react immediately to things. So that's the only thing, that's the precaution for this month. Otherwise, this month look like a good month for you. Good month for your communications, a good month on how you receive things, and something out of the box might just come to you because there is Sun card, there is Page of Cups. Now if we talk about your health, for your health I would say that one thing that you need to take care of is your eyes, head. So headaches, eyes, this is one area where I can see some problems. Second, there could be body related like backache or body ache, so that kind of problem that could be there, but it's not major, it's minor, and otherwise there's nothing much to be worried. Another thing that you need to take care of is that whenever you take your food, whenever you eat anything, just be careful that something is not fallen into it. Like at times there could be anything in your food and you might just not realize it might be poisonous or something. So just take care of that much when you take your food, because if you see, this person has actually taken out a cup water with a cup from the sea, and the fish has come into it. So something some foreign element might just be there in your food, so just be careful with that. Otherwise, and also if there is any issue that you feel you have, any health issue, don't ignore it, address it. That's the only thing that I will tell you. It's not that something very big or very huge or very big problem that I see on your cards, not really. Rather, if you address whatever issue comes, it'll go fine for you. Absolutely, it's a month which is going to be good for your health. Mental health or emotional health, take care of this feeling that you have, because it's not that the problems will be there, it's only that in your mind, if you are thinking too much, in your mind if you're feeling stuck. If you see this female, she's blindfolded and she's tied up, but her mouth is open, she can ask for help. There is a house right behind her on the hill. The swords are not behind her, the swords are not in front of her, they are on the sides only, but she is feeling stuck. She can walk, her feet are not tied, but she's feeling stuck. She's feeling stuck because she's blindfolded and she doesn't know what exact situation is. So that is the only thing that you'll have to take care of, that you don't start thinking that my life is not going fine, what is happening, things are not happening my way. So if you think too much negative, that's when you can attract negative. Other than that, I don't see any problem with your cards. If we talk about your wealth or money, though I see only pentacle card that I see is Two of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles is usually like budgeting, juggling with the things or with money situation, but there is Wheel of Fortune, there is Sun card. So I wouldn't worry about your money situation, but the only thing is, one, it feels like this month there is some chances of some kind of fraud or some kind of cheating. So you need to be very careful with your money, where you are putting it, who you are believing it. Second, there will be a lot of people who will give you instructions or give you ideas or tell you things, and you need to weigh communication, think in your head, not really kind of act immediately. So think, juggle, think about things, think about what is good and not good, think about, do little background, think about where you should put your money or not, and then you kind of address that thing, or then you put your money somewhere. In that case, there is Wheel of Fortune, it will only go towards growth. But if you feel stuck, and because you're feeling stuck and somebody is telling you something and you react immediately, there's a possibility of some kind of cheating or fraud happening. If we talk about your relationships or love, first of all, for the baby, it's a very positive month, because it feels like either there's a birth that is happening this month, or there's a pregnancy that is happening this month, because there's Page of Cups and there is Sun card in the center. Now for relationships, there is King of Cups, there is Queen of Swords. So overall, if you're looking for new people in your life, if you're looking for relationship in your life, no matter what the age is or what the timing is, because we have Page of Cups and Knight of Cups as well. So if you're looking forward for a relationship, that's going to come into your life and you'll have a better better, good, emotional, stable relationship. If you're looking forward to kind of communicate and make your present relationship better, that also is a possibility, like a huge possibility, because there is happy home 10 of cups card, and then there is 6 of swords also. So in the family life is going towards something smoother. Now, the only thing that I would tell you this month, don't indulge into gossiping and don't believe anyone and everyone. The only problem that I see in relationships also this month is that there might be people who will communicate you things that might not be true. But because they will communicate you in that particular manner and then particular way, you will start feeling stuck immediately and you will start reacting immediately. And if you start reacting immediately, that's where you'll feel that you have to run away from the situation. Situation is not working out for me. It's not good. Things are not good. There is problem. But ideally there won't be. So that is why this month it is very important that you listen to other people, you listen to your ideas, you listen to your own mind, kind of juggle with it, take it in and think about it and then react. So if you don't react on gossips or things immediately, if you take your time, you will know how to react and you will move towards something much better in your relationships. If we talk about your job or career, new opportunity, undoubtedly new opportunity, and opportunity to travel or move, that these are two things that are there. But with the travel, I would say if you can avoid travel for the first 8 days of the month, like first week of the month, that will be good. After 10 days you can travel, it's going to be good. And if you cannot avoid travel for the first week of the month or first 10 days of the month, in that case be very careful while you're traveling. Second, there could be opportunities coming from people in your past. So Queen of Swords sending you some opportunity. The only thing is, one, if there is an opportunity, because there is a chance of fraud as well, if there is an opportunity, do the background check properly. Second, communicate but read between the lines. If there could be something in the contract, there could be something in the messages that are coming to you which you are missing, because there is something there which you are not looking at. So read between the lines, communicate really well, communicate what you really need to say, and listen to everything, but take in or react in the way you should rather than in the way you are being forced to. In your job, if you're feeling stuck, if you're feeling like no, I need to leave this job, don't take a decision immediately. Take a while. There's an opportunity that is coming your way. Let it come your way and then you take your decision and then you move forward. If you're into a business, there could be a possibility of new partner, there could be a possibility of new person or new idea or something new coming into your life. The only thing that I will tell you is that don't take a decision from a negative point of view. Don't take a decision because you're feeling stuck. Don't take a decision because you want to kind of run away from a particular situation. Smoothness or calmness is approaching you. It's coming there. The calm waters are almost there. You'll have to have little patience maybe for the first week of the month, but don't react immediately and don't take actions immediately. That's one thing that you need to take care of. If we talk about your soul path, new opportunities, happy home, things are working fine, intuition is there, you are believing in your intuition, you are acting in your life, everything is there. The only thing now you have to work upon is how other people are indulged in negativity and how you are getting indulged in their negativity. So you might be interested in gossip, you might be interested in thinking about your past, how things have been bad, how situations have been bad, and this month requires you to heal that. And if you heal that, you have a chance to kind of rewrite your life script. And when you rewrite it, you can actually write whatever you want in it. So whatever works best for you. That is why this month, soul growth, don't feel blindfolded, don't get negative, move towards positivity, feel positive and work on positives. If we talk about your chakra of the month this month is throat chakra. Throat chakra is located here. The mantra of throat chakra is Hum. Practice it every day. This month communications are very, very important and messages are very, very important. That's why throat chakra need to be balanced. What you're saying has to go in the right way. What you're listening, you have to react in the right way. That is why throat chakra is very important this month. Mental exercise of the month. I have two cards. One says financial constraints and other says victory. So if you don't feel that there are financial constraints, if you don't feel negative about things, if you don't feel what you don't have, if you focus on what you have, then there is victory for you. And this victory will come from feeling positive and believing in yourself. The affirmation that I will give you this month is I can move through any cycle with dignity and awareness. I am open to receiving increasing wealth. Money moves to and through my life, bringing benefits to all. And this is the affirmation that you need to do this month, because it feels like this is a very important affirmation for you this month, and this will lead you towards victory. If we talk about surrender message of the month, the number of the month for you is going to be number 10 or number 1. Even number 11 is good. Color of the month, any shade of blue, sky blue is going to be good for you. The first spirit message or surrender message for you is surrender to your spirit. Once you have done everything you can to achieve a goal, turn the situation over to the divine. Let spirit work its magic for you. So let spirit do what it needs to do. Once you've done your bit, now don't think about it. Now don't try to run away from it, or not try to be stuck into it. The unicorn message for you is service. Service with an open heart is the key to satisfaction, and this is 28. 2 plus 8 is 10 again. So this is a new beginning for you. And service doesn't mean that you have to spend money for service. It can just be helping somebody. It can just be being nice to somebody. But this will help you open your heart and heal your heart. What will happen if you follow these advices, and what are the messages from angels? The first message we have is 5 of Ariel. It says you need not go through your current challenges alone. Help is nearby. Negative thoughts create self-fulfilling prophecies. So when we think negative, we attract negative, and we only indulge into that cycle of negativity. Otherwise, you don't have to go through this alone. There are people who are there to help you. There are communications, positive communications that are coming your way, but you need to believe in them. The second card, and there are 2 fives. Fives is when you are stuck into a situation, but actually in the background things are moving and you need to take action. The 5 of Raphael card says everything happens for a reason. Release regret and embrace the opportunities for happiness. Search for the silver lining, and there is a silver lining in everything. You have to just believe in it, and this month you have to do that. This month it is very important for you. The last card I have for you says 8 of Michael. It says you can be free. Make a courageous choice to change your situation. Not seeing things clearly, and there this card kind of comes. You're not seeing things clearly. That's why you're taking a rope for a snake. That is what you need to avoid, and this is happening because you're believing in wrong people or wrong communications. You are reacting immediately. If you don't do that, you will actually see some good positive changes in your life. I'll give you 1 or 2 more cards from this. Wow. So I have a card of 6 of Cups. 6 of Cup is basically when your connections become stronger, when your emotions become stronger, and when you get a gift from somebody or from your past to you. So when you're gifted something, and if you see there is a cup, and this person is giving flowers in this cup to this small little child, and there is a person who is seeing from far away. So there is a card. This is a card of healing. This is a card of letting go of your past. This is the card of healing your childhood. This is the card of healing your traumas. And if you do that, you're going to move towards your soul purpose and your soul growth. So this is what I have for you this month. If you want to know more than this, or want to get your personalized tarot reading done, you can contact me through the Facebook link that is in the description box, or you can send me a comment. You just have to write I want my reading or I need my reading, and I will share my number. We'll take it forward from there. There are a lot of videos on my channel about soul growth, about if you can learn tarot for free. You can figure out why there are problems in your life. There is videos about meditations, what are the myths attached to them. There are videos about positive thinking. There are videos about how to deal with stress. So there are videos about anything and everything that can help you move forward in your life. Please watch these videos if you get time, and leave a comment or a feedback, and share the videos with everyone that you can or that you think can get benefited from them. Share this video also with people that you know, because they might be in this situation and they might save themselves from this fraud or this negative situation that they are into. I'll see you with the next month's prediction. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Bye bye.